Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find LinkedIn profile ID. So basically how you can just copy it. Now you have to open your LinkedIn mobile application here. On the top left side corner you will see your profile icon. Open it up, click on view profile. Now here beside add section you will find the three dots. So just tap on it and here basically you will get this option contact info. Now once you're here you can see that this is your profile link here, or basically you can say profile ID. So I will just click on pencil icon and now I can just copy it and I can send it to anybody whom I want, and this is how I can do it, right? If you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe. And one more thing guys, if you are not able to copy here, you can just get this option share profile Y. So if you just click on it, you can share your ID to anybody, right? Or you can just copy it from here too. So this is the so many ways to copy your LinkedIn profile ID. If you did, like this video, subscribe.